which international lessons should we as a country adapt to ensure that when you are dealing with these land matters, especially when it comes to historical justice, every party feels well served?
The different actors have to play their role. Every actor here, starting with the state, which is the primary duty bearer here, they have a duty to facilitate the enjoyment of certain rights.
Yes.
So which means when it comes to ensuring justice is served, then they have to fast track it just to ensure that the communities get that. Now, on the other hand, the businesses, the enterprise, have got responsibilities. In this case, we're talking about the business enterprises. They have to comply these principles that have been put forward, that you have to look at so that you make sure that you've considered all factors that need to be considered, then you don't find yourself in, in the wrong side of the law later on, years to come. They call them the UN Guiding Principles on Business and Human Rights. So whereby you have to, look at, do your due diligence, find out, once you do that particular business that you want to do there, what's the impact on the society? And then for the communities that are involved, for instance, when they organize in associations, then they are able to advocate for their rights together because, if you're individual, majority of them are, from marginalized communities, so they're vulnerable. So, but when they organize themselves, as, in groups, then they are able to advocate and also participate in such processes effectively. Now, if you put all those measures together, then you find those are the good practices of how to ensure that such issues do not recur. Because if the state plays its role, the business does its role, the communities also are active and proactive in terms of agitating for their rights, then you find these minimal chances of the rights being violated, and where there is, then there is restitution for the same.